In the world of content management systems, CMS, WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla are three prominent names. Each has its unique features, strengths, and weaknesses. This step-by-step guide will help beginners understand and compare these CMS platforms in 2024. WordPress, a popular open-source CMS widely used for building blogs and websites. Drupal, a powerful, flexible, and developer-friendly CMS suitable for complex websites and applications. Joomla, a user-friendly CMS ideal for creating feature-rich websites and online applications. WordPress, known for its user-friendly interface and simple installation process, it offers a vast library of themes and plugins, making it accessible for beginners. Drupal requires more technical knowledge as it has a steeper learning curve. However, it provides robust customization options. Joomla offers a balance between WordPress and Drupal in terms of ease of use, with a moderate learning curve and a wide range of extensions. WordPress offers extensive functionality through plugins and themes, making it adaptable for various types of websites. Drupal provides advanced functionality and flexibility, allowing for the creation of custom modules and complex websites. Joomla offers a good range of extensions and templates, providing flexibility for most website needs. WordPress can be vulnerable to attacks if not maintained properly, but regular updates and security plugins help mitigate risks. Drupal, known for its strong security features, with a focus on security updates and regular releases. Joomla has improved its security over time, but it's essential to keep the CMS and extensions updated for optimal security. WordPress provides a vast selection of themes and plugins, allowing for quick customization and design changes. Drupal offers advanced theming and layout options, making it suitable for creating unique designs and custom templates. Joomla features a good variety of templates and extensions, enabling customization for most design requirements. WordPress has a massive community, providing extensive resources, tutorials, and support through forums, blogs, and official documentation. Drupal boasts a dedicated community of developers and contributors, offering various resources, documentation, and support channels. Joomla also has a supportive community, offering resources, forums, and official documentation to assist users in their journey. WordPress offers a free core CMS with additional costs for premium themes and plugins. It is scalable for small to large websites. Drupal, the core CMS, is free, but custom development and complex projects can be costly. It is suitable for websites of all sizes. Joomla, like WordPress, Joomla's core CMS is free with additional costs for premium extensions and templates. It is scalable for various website sizes. WordPress, known for its SEO-friendly structure and compatibility with various SEO plugins, making it easy to optimize websites for search engines. Drupal offers built-in SEO features and compatibility with SEO modules, allowing for effective optimization. Joomla provides basic SEO options and integrates well with third-party SEO extensions for better optimization. WordPress regularly releases updates to ensure security and compatibility. However, keeping the CMS, themes, and plugins updated is crucial for optimal performance. Drupal updates are frequent, focusing on security and performance improvements. Keeping the CMS and contributed modules updated is essential. Joomla regularly updates its core CMS and extensions, requiring users to stay current for optimal performance. In 2024, all three CMS platforms, WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla, have their strengths and weaknesses. WordPress is ideal for beginners, offering ease of use and a vast library of themes and plugins. Drupal is more suitable for complex websites and applications, with a focus on security and flexibility. Joomla provides a balance between WordPress and Drupal, catering to a wide range of users and website types. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and the nature of your project.